mensagem, tell us before. Você fica ticado.
Olá.
Aí!
Sí, porque tú sabes por qué tenemos que
No, tranquilo, yo paso a ver, pues. Bom, vai sair tell us before. Você fica ticado bem até, man?
Yeah, I'm good, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Parmesan. Ok, donc attends.
All right, so this is the real streets of Punta Cana. This is what it looks like outside the resort. So a lot of people don't see this side because they stay at the resorts and relax. There's a lot of traffic though coming from the beach. I'll walk him to the hotel. It's about 6:30. So today's Friday, so it's gonna be a lot of nightlife activity going on. I plan to go out there, show you guys the real nightlife. They got a lot of buildings here for sale, but in my opinion, I'm not interested in any of the investments here. I just think that it's not really a good return on investment. There's some good tourists here, but not like what I'm used to seeing in other countries as far as tourism. Most of the people look like they just stay in the big and chain hotels. So that's just my opinion anyway. I could be, but from what I have been seeing since my stay here, that's what I've been noticing. But if you see like this, Vista Sol, Punta Cana, this is a beach resort and spa. This is the type of things where people stay at. It looks like it's a big owner, you know? I don't know about individual owners own property here where they invest into tourists, but I've seen a lot of them in different areas. And this place across the street over here, I didn't notice that before, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's another rip-off hotel. You see that bus full of tourists right there. They come in from maybe excursions and stuff like that, or a hotel pickup or drop off for some type of adventure. So I'm walking from the beach. It's about a good 10, 15-minute walk from my hotel. It's not bad. I've been in this route a couple of days already, so I got familiar with the place. That's what you want to do when you come to these places. You want to walk and get familiar. Yeah, I mean, it's good to Uber places, you know, that's a quite a distance from where you are, especially if it's restaurants and hotels and stuff like that. But you want to get out and just stop. Hola, ¿cómo estás? But yeah, so yeah, like I was saying, so these are a whole bunch of resorts and hotels here I live in this area here. It's not too far away, so I'm across the street. People they want me to catch a ride on the back of them, but I'm like less than 5 minutes away, so it's pointless. But they don't know that. You just gotta let them know. A lot of gift shops over here. Lady calling me for massage, but nah, you're gonna get that a lot too. People gonna call you, flag you down for massage. But if you want it, you can do it. Me, you know, I just like to keep it moving. They charge like $45 for a massage, $50 for like an hour. I'm used to Thailand massages. In Thailand, you get the hour massage for like less than $10 sometimes. Because I'm getting close to my hotel. Look like it's about to start raining too. So this is the residential Sun Beach. But this may not be this may just be for owners right here. All right, so we're approaching at where I stay. I stay over here. They got a little nice restaurant right here on the corner. Mexican restaurant for where I'm at. Then you got a barber shop over there. You got massage beauty place right here. So, yeah.
Aí, passou um jogo queimado.
All right, well, this is it. My hotel is here, so you guys enjoy the walk. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, walking with me back to the hotel. I'm going to get dressed and hit the nightlife. All right.